Hey everyone, so I said that I was going to make a video talking about how to avoid plagiarism, the different steps that I mentioned in class, but I realized that I already have that posted. It's in the writer's handbook. So the way that you can find that is you go over to files, and it could be kind of a pain to try to find things. So just put in that. So it is under Avoiding Plagiarism, which is on page 24. So first, this goes over different types of plagiarism. The part that I really wanted to emphasize is changing keywords and phrases but retaining the same sentence structure. That's not something that you can do. You cannot just be like, oh, if I was going to rephrase this of changing keywords and phrases but retaining the same structure. And I changed it to modifying important verbiage, but keeping similar syntax. Technically, those are different words, but it has the same sentence structure. It means the same thing. You have to put it totally in your own words. So the best way to do that is to follow these different steps. Read it, then put it aside. The reason I say that you should put it aside is because when you have it next to you, the inclination, and it's natural, is to be like, what did that say? Oh, yeah. And then you just copy it over without even thinking about it. So if you put it away so you cannot see it, you're going just from memory. Jot down the notes, then compare it to your original. So if in my original, I thought to myself, okay, retain the same sentence structure, and I wrote that down, that's exactly the same. So if I wanted to keep that, I could always put it in quotes, or I would just change that up. And then I would continue to do those steps, which is basically read and put it aside over and over again until I get the idea that I want to get. Then again, without taking a look at the text, using your notes, write it in sentence form the way that you would. The way this is going to work best is if the notes that you jot down are not complete sentences. It's just keywords, key phrases, key things that you're trying to say. Then you want to make sure that you are citing your source, because even if you're putting it in your own words, if you don't cite your source, it is plagiarism.